In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Gumroad. Let's start right from your Gumroad account. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct creator account, the one where you receive your sales. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see your products, sales, and other stats. From here, we're going to head into the settings where all the payout options live. Look toward the side or top navigation and click on Settings. This section controls everything related to your account, including payments, notifications, and more. Once you're in Settings, find and click on the Payments tab. This is where you set up how Gumroad actually sends the money you earn. On the Payments page, scroll down until you see the Payout method section. This is the important part. Before you can withdraw any money from Gumroad, you need to add a valid bank account, because that's where your earnings will be sent. In the first part of this section, you'll see the option to add your bank account details. Start by clicking into the field labeled something like Pay to the order of. Here, type your full legal name, exactly as it appears on your bank account. This should match your bank records to avoid any issues with transfers. Next, you'll see a field for the SWIFT or BIC code. This is a unique code that identifies your bank internationally. You can usually find it on your bank's website or on your bank statement. Carefully type that code into the SWIFT or BIC field. Below that, there's a field for your account number. Enter your bank account number exactly as it appears with your bank. Right under it, you'll see a Confirm Account Number field. Type the same account number again to confirm it. This double entry helps prevent mistakes that could send your payout to the wrong place. Now, choose your account type. Click on the Account Type field and select whether your bank account is an individual or a business account, depending on how your bank has it set up. Underneath, you'll find additional name and address fields. Fill these out with your correct personal or business details. Once these are completed, your bank account setup is essentially done. After you've added your bank account and started earning, once your Gumroad balance reaches at least $100, you'll also see the option to connect a PayPal account. If you prefer, you can then withdraw your earnings via PayPal as well, giving you a bit more flexibility in how you get paid.